My people, I don't carry another ogbonge tori come for now. And this one now from John Dumelo wife. Now this one they come out from. This lady Gifty don't call out Nadia Buari. What are they talk say call? She don't dey warn Nadia Buari. So make this girl stay far away from her husband. So make him leave his husband alone. And wetin cause this whole wahala na because of one recent video where they spread now, in which her husband John Dumelo they kiss and caress this girl for. Now everybody come they wonder, say how a married person go they kiss another married woman leg? They do am like this. For those of now whenever watch this video, they can follow me watch.
Hey John, Manya, see what your husband has done to my feet. Your husband, oh, hey, oh. John, you're an idiot. See, oh, he's so romantic. Oh, Emigua.
The toes are beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
Love one thing to hey on top another person wife. You no even fear say Nadia self na person wife. And say you self na person husband. I'm not even think that one. Now this video they trend now so many people they talk say na normal thing. Say for friends to they act like this for them to they I can't they wonder. Auntie brother if now you. Where be say you see your husband with another woman. Now so you go they enjoy say they be friends. I shall say all this comment and everything. I go jam gifting. I go meet her for head. Where make she self come decide to write and say make Nadia Buari. Now beg she use gote begam. Say make Nadia leave her husband alone for her. Make she enjoy her man in peace. I mean I support her. All of them don't find a different destination. If you know say Nadia you won't marry, if you marry her in the first place. Now based on friendship level, I waiting make them do this one. But I beg we no want making our friendship point enter another stage. So I beg this is all we see. Make it just end for there. My people, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This story will carry coming. I go just the advice say make we dey pray. Say make God save us from our enemies. This one now, it happened to one of our Nigerian brothers inside Indonesia. This guy here say his name na Chioma. What did they go do to these guys? Say in they relax, in they enjoy with his friends before we go see. They don't put poison inside the drink where this guy they drink. And based on what's now, you know the way this guy come Nigeria. Now there people see and say okay now this guy don't grow, he don't hammer. They don't begin set eyes put on top of him body. Look and see why him go they progress now because of this one envy. And jealousy. Now wetin make they kill this guy. Now they don't kill this guy, leaving him and him. I beg who want they take care of this boy family? Because now he gets small children down. The person no even pity himself. So okay, make I even reason this guy family or make I reason say we be friends. You don't even think that one is still he just kill the guy just like that. Now wetin they make me the talk say make we dey very careful. They find friends who they follow. Not be everybody love you. Not be everybody where you see say that they near you, that they gone, but you know, some people they just they follow you just to they monitor your progress. They want they know if you they grow or if they fail. Now if they fail, they go they happy, they talk and say yes, they don't want. I trust now what happen in this guy's situation. Because me if I look all this whole thing, on a killing, what they even benefit on her. Not beside the guy progress now, he go transport enter your own body. You no go gain anything. So what it can be the benefit? But this one now what they make me the advice when I say make na dey careful. I beg if you go gathering, drink with sense and also we don't they enter flenjor period. And now go they drink say don't hide, forget your drink. Now there person they pass there die. Now there they pass take kill this one now. So if you know say they go any meet, I beg just stay safe. If you know say you no go drink, just in fact hold the thing, hold on like this thing, chewing gum out for body. Because now you know if you trust anybody. My people, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.